I've cornered Ryan to tell us about PC Specialist and this, well, what do we call this?
So this is one of our custom builds by our Liquid Series teams, fully customizable. We have a really advanced team of staff that build one of these every day. Each staff member only builds one to make sure that we hit the absolute highest quality we can and making sure that we can get the absolute most performance we can out of our hardware.
It's absolutely stupendous. So what's the GPU in this one?
So in this, we have a RTX 5090.
So there, and then that's cool. That's like a cooling plate underneath.
Yes, so it's custom cooled with its own reservoir, own radiator. Along with the CPU, it has its own reservoir and own radiator, so we can maximize the cooling within the system.
But so PC Specialist, tell us a little bit more about that. What's your kind of brand history and what are we doing now?
So we were founded in 2003. We started off as a bedroom builder, migrated all the way to a garage builder, and now we are in massive warehouses in the UK. We produce about 120,000 systems a year, and everything we do is custom built.
Let's have a little look around the big systems and then we'll go and have a look at the laptop and things that are now offering as well. Because yeah, before meeting you today, I presumed you were still just mainly building big systems, but what about this guy then? A bit more of a normal build, I would say.
Yeah, so this is more of our mid-range kind of services what we offer.
Motherboard, I think. Yeah, it's the same one, yeah.
So what we like to do is we like to try and hit every price point. So we can offer you everything from your very entry-level system, again, all the way to your high-end liquid system, and every price point in between that you want to hit, we can.
What was the price point on that big one?
So this one's between 6,000 and 7,000, depending on the price of RAM that day.
And then this guy? Yeah.
You're around 1,500, 2,000 pounds.
Yeah, that's reasonable. 5070, is it?
So in this one is 5070 OC.
So what about that RAM shortage then? That's something that's another angle that obviously is being talked about a lot. How are you approaching that?
I mean, we have dealt with it when it came to the GPU shortage. You know, we made it work. We then dealt with the CPU shortage. We made it work. We're going to do the same with the RAM shortage. Obviously, we have quite a big standing within the market, so we're not too worried about the RAM shortage itself.
Okay, cool. So cool. I mean, these are cool. You can lust after big PCs like this all day long. I mean, what's the difference between a gaming PC and an office PC? You asked me just a moment ago. So let's go have a look at some office PCs.
Yeah.
So this is your highest end laptop.
So this is one of our highest end laptops. This one is with a RTX 5090 and an Ultra 9 275HX. So quite a beefy system. We do also feature another build that we don't have here today that is also liquid cooled. That comes with its own liquid cooler that just attaches and detaches magnetically.
I like liquid cooler. That's
yeah.
You don't like it. Right, and they're so cool. And then these guys, this still has a dedicated GPU. This one.
So yes, this has a 5050 in it, along with an i7 13700 HX. Yeah. Again, we want to offer as many price points as we can for the customer because, you know, not everyone needs the high-end one, not everyone needs the low-end one. They need to find the right kind of margin, and we try and make sure that we can do that for them. That's why also on our configurator, it's not just one laptop. You can choose the hardware within it.
Right, I got it, yeah. So all the laptops can be totally custom.
Absolutely.
Configurators. Nice. So they're all built to order?
They are all built to order. As I say, we've got our own custom configurator online that customers can go on and choose every piece of hardware within it.
And so these guys around the corner, they're just running on the integrated GPU, is that right?
Yes.
So what we've got here, so this is a Core i3.
Yeah, so this is your very entry-level systems. This is an i3 1350U, and it's using integrated Iris graphics from Intel. They start at 8 gigs, and we can push that all the way up to 32 on these. But most of these we find just for your entry-level office use or entry-level school use.
Yeah, we're getting there. Cool. And what's the difference, the price point here versus like going up to the big guy?
The one in the corner. So this one, I think we started about 450 pounds around about there. So that one we go up to about 4,000 plus.
Another plus, yeah. And then the configurator and your NUC, is it just the one NUC you do? Oh no, sorry. Can you configure the NUC as well?
You can configure the NUC as well. Obviously, it's not as configurable. Mini PC. So again, we try and give you as many options as we can. Your motherboard, you'll only have the one as it is a NUC, but we can choose your storage and your RAM size as well.
Cool. Very, very nice. All right, thanks a lot for showing me around. Easy to take apart, and
they are pretty easy to take apart. Yeah.
How about your laptops as well? Are they quite easy to get into?
There's just a few screws on the bottom, pops off, and you're in.
Is that one of the main kind of selling points? Is that it's not just we're going to configure it for you, but it's also in the future if you want to upgrade it.
Yes. Well, so that's part of what we offer as well. We think our warranty is one of the best on the market. We like to call it an open case warranty. So there's no warranty void stickers when you open it. We want people to be able to go in, upgrade their system, clean their system, we became enthusiasts from being able to do that with our own computers. And we hope to be able to create more enthusiasts going forward by allowing the generation that's coming up now to be able to do that themselves.
And then and this is totally, you don't have to buy from you. You can just go and check that it all fits together. If you want to configure a custom PC, it's a good place to start. And then you can check against your price of buying the parts individually versus just getting
Absolutely. Obviously, if something's not compatible, our configurator will tell you. If your, for example, power supply isn't strong enough, our system is going to determine that, tell you what it needs, and then you can go from there.
Yeah, I did use this when I built my last PC actually, which was my first, and it was very, very helpful to use this thing here. You said you're the biggest
system integrator in Europe.
In Europe, but don't sell in the US.
We do not sell in the US or Asia or Africa.
Plans to expand there, or?
We're always open to it, but obviously we want to make sure that what we do is always top notch, that as we expand, we're not losing track of who we are. And we are staying within the quality that we strive to be.
Yeah, and these are all your custom peripherals as well. Yeah. Very nice. Well, thanks for showing me around.
No, anytime.
Appreciate it. That's really good.